This scenery of Ukai, or cormorant fishing, is a summer tradition familiar to the Japanese people from more than 1,300 years ago. The brightly burning watchfires reflect off the surface of the water, drawing spectators into a subtle yet profound world. Ukai has a long history on the Nagara River. It's been protected by the nobility through the ages and loved by many prominent cultural figures of Japan. The Nagara River, known as one of the clearest rivers of Japan. People living on its banks have an intimate relationship with nature. The landscape has changed little from long ago. It's where this traditional fishing method has thrived unchanged for more than 1,000 years. Cormorants and people uniting to skillfully catch sweet fish. That is Ukai. Behind me are the Nagara River and nature. They teach me all kinds of things and give me life. Junji Yamashita has been a cormorant fisherman for over half a century. Cormorants and cormorant fishermen are one. We're both living beings, so I have fun and laugh with my cormorants as I do my work every day. The cormorants are let loose at his home. Living together, they build a relationship of trust. After I wake up in the morning, I go to the river and look up at the sky, Mount Kinka, and sometimes drink the water. Then I go to the coop. I take out the cormorants one by one, and what I saw earlier is transmitted to them through these hands. If I think there are fish out there that day, I tell them that it's their turn and make contact with each one. It's early evening, and people are gathering to see the cormorant fishing. When the sun sets, the fishing starts. The fishermen and boatmen set the direction together without a word passing between them, and the fishing commences. The ropes connect the cormorants to the fishermen. He swiftly manipulates the ropes, making sure they don't get tangled. Surprised by the watchfires, the sweet fish shimmer in the river. Spotting them, the cormorants dive in for the catch. Around the cormorant's neck, a rope is tied loose so that small fish can pass through its throat. It's a technique called kubi-yui. When the cormorants are hungry, they eat small fish first. And then they catch bigger fish for the humans. They know exactly what their role is. They understand and live together with the fishermen. The Ukai reaches its climax. 6 boats form a single line, chasing the sweet fish to shallow waters. There can be rain or strong wind. Lots of things can happen. We follow the course of nature in leading our lives every day. I believe there's meaning in that. The scenery of Ukai, unchanged through the passage of time, illustrates the importance of living in harmony with nature.